Hi Artlets, it's Suzanne here today with a little project for you, and we're going to assemble the Quietfire treat bowls. Now sometimes I call them the layered treat bowls because the sides are made up of multiple layers, and they're super cute, and you can tie them with any kind of ribbon you want and do them in any color you want, and they hold a surprising amount of goodies. So the first thing you're going to want to do is to cut out all the pieces in the colors you want them and fold up the base along the perforated score lines. So this is just showing you how you do those corner bits of the treat bowl. Using a bone folder will help you get those score lines nice and crisp. And work your way around the bowl. And then you've basically got it made. The next step is to do all these onlay pieces. And these are the corner pieces, and they're just a simple fold down the center. And you'll need 4 of those. And then the side pieces, which are the layered pieces, go like that. And I used glue dots here, but you can use a tape runner if you wish. And just layer those properly together. And repeat until you have all 4 of them. And then the next step is to add these panels to the side of the treat box. So you'll need some adhesive, and then you place those layered panels on the flat side of the treat box. And add adhesive to the corner pieces. And just line those up with the hole and the score lines and press them into place. And repeat that around the bowl. And then the last step is adding the ribbon. And I used a 1/8 inch satin ribbon here, but you can actually use larger ribbon. And just thread it simply through the holes. There's just 4 of them. And then tighten it up. You have to finesse it a little bit. And then I like to do a knot at first. And then you can do the bow. Make it pretty. And that's it. How cute is that? So that's how you make the layered treat bowl. And you can see there's some that are Christmas themed and some aren't. So keep your eye open. I think you'll see more of them. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye now.